Okay, so here everyone, this is Rohit Kumar, and today in this video we are going to work on this model here. See, let me do this one. Yeah, and this one is a chain cassette, which is used mostly in bicycles, and here you can see there are also five threads. So in this video, I will teach you how to make this thread, and yeah, one more thing that you cannot copy this thread. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to go here and click on the parts and create a new one. Now, remember this one that all the dimensions of this model is in mm. Here you can see this one is the blueprint. Let me zoom this out. Here you can read here. All the dimensions are in mm and the number of teeth are 17 with identical dimensions. Which one? These teeth, the number of these teeth are 17 and all the teeth have identical dimensions. And one more thing. What? Uh, Subscribe the channel for more videos, of course. So let's start the video. Here you see we have to do this one. Don't forget to check out this one, because from here you can decide that in which kind of dimension you are going to work or in which dimension you want to work. Here are four options. You can also edit by document units, but I think this one is enough. Millimeter ground second. Simply click here, and this time we need to select a plane. So select top plane, and here top plane, go to circle, make a circle. Now here you need to make a circle. This time let's define the dimension. So the diameter of this circle, first of all we will make this circle the main one, okay, which is the main frame or main drawing. We have to make a circle with 100 diameter. Okay, then after this we will do the rest. Make this one 100. Okay, go to feature, go to extruded bosses. This time extrude this one, but with the help of mid plane. Okay, and how much we need to extrude? We need to extrude this one around 5 so give dimension 5 and make this one okay. Here you see this one 5 okay. Or let's do one more thing. uh, Again edit this one, not mid plane, select blind, and this direction is up. I think this one is better. Now go here, make a sketch. Again convert this one as a sketch. Select this circle and convert this one as entity. Now again go to circle with the help of this midpoint, make another circle, but this time we need this one for construction. Make this one okay. Now this time we need to specify its diameter. So here, come here. Here you can see the radius is given, which is 17.50. Okay, so we needed this one as diameter, so we have to double this one. So make this one double as 57.50 into 2. Okay, so 57.50 into 2 and make this one okay. Now here you see 1.55, 1.15. Now come here. This time we need to make a circle here, right here. Find the point here. Now here you see this is the point. Now define its diameter also. So how much? Here you can see this smaller one, that here radius is given. Radiuses are given, so we need to take this one as diameter. So here radius of this arc is 2 so we will take this one as 4 Okay, give dimension 4 Let me see, 4 yeah, it's fine. Simply make this one okay. Now we need to make a arc here, right, with a 9 radius. So this time go to 3-point arc, take a line here from here and make an arc like that. Make this one like this. Okay, now this time we need to specify some relation. We need to make some relation. So click shift on your numpad, select this line, this arc, and select this circle and make the relation tangent. Also do the same here also. Make the relation tangent. This time come here and give radius 9. No need to do anything, just this one is enough. Now this time we need to make a center line because we are going to mirror this one. Simply with the help of this center point, come here and make a construction line over here, over this line, over this point. Now this time we need to copy this one over here, so go to mirror entities, In mirror entities, which entity we need to mirror? Select this one and mirror about. Select this one and make this one okay. Now here you see. Now go come to trim entities, make sure power trim must be selected and delete this one. Now come here, go to feature, go to extruded boss. This time we need to extrude this one and extrude this one, but not mid plane. Select blind, and here you see it going in upward direction. So simply change the direction by clicking here. Now here you see the direction is changed. Okay. Now here we need to mirror this thing, copy this thing over here. But this time we need to make a circle, make a hole here. Okay, come here, select circle, find center point of this arc and make a circle here. This time how much diameter we need for this hole? It's 2 mm. Here you can read it's 2 mm. Uh, so select this one and give diameter 2 mm. Okay, go to feature again, go to extrude cut and this time not blind, select through all. Okay, and make this one okay. Now here you see this one is called, there is a hole. If I will do the whole letter, then I have to do the mirror entities circular pattern again, but this time I will do together. So go to linear pattern, go to circular pattern, select here. This time in direction section you have to select the face on which you are going to do this one. Okay, and this one is a feature. Okay, okay, not face. This one is a face or entity, and this one is for feature. Select this one, and again this inner circle, and give number 4. We need not 417. Why 17? Come here. Number of teeth are 17 with identical dimensions. So that's why 17 and make this one okay. Now here you see. Again select this face and make sketch. Again come here. Make a circle like this. And this time give diameter to this one. How much? Come here. We need to make this one around 70. Okay, the diameter this one will be 70. This one. Okay, so make this one 70. Okay, make this one okay. Go to feature, go to extruded boss base. Not through all, select blind and how much we need to extrude. Let me see. Here you see we need to extrude this one over 15 mm, and then after this we will make a fillet here with radius 10 mm. Okay, see here 15, 10. This fillet, the radius of this fillet is 10, and we need to extrude this one about 15 mm. Simply go here, make this one 15, make this one okay. Go to fillet, give dimension 15, and make this one okay. Now here you see. Oh, sorry. It's not 15. Again, it's a mistake. So how? Go here, give 10, and make this one okay. Now here you see it looks perfect. This time, no need to do anything. This time we will do everything here. So come here, do it like this. Now we are going to make this one. Okay, so first we will make these two circles. We will extrude this one, and then after this we will make these cuts. Okay, so how? The diameter of this bigger circle is 90 and the diameter of this smaller circle is 40. So we need to make two circles here with a diameter 90 and 40. Okay, so sketch with the help of center point. Give diameter 90 and again one more circle, and this time give this one diameter 40. Make this one 40. Make this one okay. Go to feature, go to extruded boss base. Now we need to extrude this one, but how much? Come over here. We need to extrude this one about 3 mm, right? We need to extrude this one on about 3 mm, 3 mm, 3 mm. Okay, so give dimension 3 mm. Make this one okay. Now here you see. get extruded. Now what we need to do, we are going to make a cut here. So simply go this space and make this one sketch. Again, go to circle. This time we again need to make two circles like this. Now here you see, whatever we do, it will happen on this face. This is exactly what we need. Now go to smart dimension. Again, we need to specify the diameter of this one, but this time only radius is given because there is a cut, so we need to calculate. We need some calculations. So come down here. Now, radius of this arc, this bigger circle, it's a 42.50. So make this one 42.50 into 2 and make this one okay. Now here you see it defined 85. Again, diameter of this circle. How much is let's see how much is the radius. The radius is 22.0. So automatically we know that if it's 22.0, then the diameter will be 44. And here you see radius is not given for this arc, so we will take it as 5 mm. Okay, no worry. Make this one 44. Means no okay. Again, we need to make some tricks. So again, with the center point, make a construction like this. Come down here. This one is better because why took down, because here this one is in upward direction, but we took this one in downward direction. So for this we are doing this in downward direction, not in upward direction, otherwise the drawing will get wrong. So come here, make line from the center point, make a line with some angles. Then right now we will define the angle. So how much angle we need to define? Here you see the overall angle is 60, so we are making half of it. So we need to take this one as 30 mm. So take this one as 30 mm. Again, come to trim mirror entities. This time we need to mirror this one over here. So go to mirror about. Here we selected line 2. This one is line 2. Mirror about. Select this one, line 1, and make this one okay. Now here you see it get mirrored. Again, come to trim entities. This time trim this one that we don't need. And again you go come to sketch. This time select sketch fillet, select everything and take this one as 5. Now here you see it looks like our drawing. What we need, here you see, and we need this one 5. We need 5 number of this one. So here, come here, make this one okay. Now here you see we need to cut this one, make this one okay. Now go to extruded cut, because you already had extruded this one, so we need to do extruded cut. That's why we selected extruded cut and 3 mm, because we need this one above this surface. So this one is fine. Here you see, and make this one okay. Now here you see again we need this one as number 5. So go to here linear pattern and select circular pattern. In direction section you have to select this one or this one. Better to select this one. Okay, now features. This one is a feature, not faces or entities. So this one is feature. Here this one happens because it's 17. So make this one 5. Now here you see it looks perfect, and make this one okay. Now here you see. Now what we need to do? We need to do one more important last thing. We are going to make this cut, and here you see dimension for this cut is already given. So how? Come here, find a plane which lies exactly in the middle of it. So front plane is the middle of it. Here you see this one is the front plane, and go to sketch. This one is sketch and normal too. Okay. This one goes in upward direction, so we will take this one as reverse. So come here, make a center line, make like this. Now here you see it a little bit tilted, so simply make this one vertical. Now here you see. Now come here. Now let me see how the drawing is like. Yeah. I got it. So come here, have this endpoint, make it like this. Don't make a relation yet. We don't have need any relation right now. Simply close the drawing, close the geometry, and now this time we need to specify this dimension. So how much? Come here. So the dimension of this one is around how much? 64 mm. Okay. So come here. Select this. Uh, Select smart dimension. Select this one. Select this one. Sorry. Select this one and this one, and make this one 64 mm. 64 mm. That's why you need a construction line, right? Now come here. Again, let me do one more thing. Select this one. Yeah, do it like this. Now here you see. It looks perfect. How did it? You just have to press escape bar on your numpad. Now here you see. This looks fine. This time we will specify the dimension. Now it's 64 mm. Now the dimension of this gap and this gap is 4 mm, right? Here some of the dimensions are not given, so we will take as it is exactly as we want. So we will keep this gap as 5 mm. Okay, and this one is 3 mm. Actually, this one is not 5 mm, this one is 2 mm because this one is 3 mm. So let's take this one is 3 mm, this one 2 mm. Mm-hmm. Come here. Go to smart dimension. This one and this one. Maybe this one 2 mm. This one and this one. Sorry, get back. Go to smart dimension. This one and this one. 3M, this one is fine. This one is exactly fine, absolutely fine. This one is 3M, this is what we need. Now we need to specify this gap. Uh, Cut this one, simply go back. Again, go to smart dimension, select this line and select this one and give this dimension. And how much this we need? We need this one as 40 because this one is equal. There is a complete hole, so that's why we are going to take this one as 40. Here you see this gap is given. Okay, this gap is given. Here you see 2 mm, this one is 3 mm. So let's make this one 40 mm. So give dimension 40 mm. 40 mm, this one is 2 mm. 2 mm. Select this line, select this one. That's 3 mm. Perfect. Now come here. This one is 10 mm from here to here. So we will take select this line and select this line and give dimension 10 mm. Now we need to do one more thing. Select this line and make this one vertical. Now here you see this solution is done. Make sure that the line will be horizontal and vertical, otherwise the matter will go wrong. Now again, come here, select this one, select this construction line, otherwise it will not take the complete one. So give the dimension. It's 30. Okay, so no worry, it's absolutely fine. Okay, go to feature, go to revolved cut. Now here you see it cutted it. Now come here, make sketch. Again convert this one as entity. Now here you see this corner is get converted as entity. Go to feature, go to extrude cut, and this time select through all. Now here you see this one is 40 mm. This one will also taken as 40 mm. Make this one okay. Now here you see this one looks fine, and this one looks exactly what we need. Now what we need to do here? We are going to make a holes for thread. Now select this face, make a sketch. Again go to circle. We need to make a circle here, but we need the circle for construction, right? Again go to smart dimension and we need to specify its dimension. And how much is the dimension? Come here. The diameter of this circle is 55 mm. So we need to take as 55 mm. And the diameter of this circle, this hole will be 5 mm. So we need 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 copies of this circle. And the diameter of construction circle which we are going as a reference circle is 55 mm. So first let's make this one 55 mm. Okay, now come here, go to sketch, circle, make a circle and give diameter 5 mm. Okay, go to feature. Okay, copy the sketch right now, or you can also copy the holes. Let's make the hole. Go to extrude cut. This time up to next. You have to select up to next. So it will take only this surface. Otherwise, you can also take as a what called blind. So you can give dimension. But this one is a much easier option. Make circle like this. Again, in feature section here in linear pattern section, go to circular pattern. In circular direction, you have to select the surface on here. This surface on which the entity is. Now, this one is the entity. So select entity and it's an okay. Now, here you see number is 5. Simply make this 6 and make this an okay. Now, here you see. Now we need to make holes here. The keep this thing in your mind that the diameter of this hole is 5 mm. So here feature section, go to hole wizard and select thread. Now when you will select thread here, it will ask you for some information, some options. So in thread location, you have to select the primary location from thread is going to start. So you have to select this. Now blind, in blind, give the dimension 2 mm. Okay, let's make this 3 mm. Okay, now make this one uh, offset around 2 m. Here you see it get offsetted. Simply change the direction, and this time you need to keep the maintain the thread length. So simply select the thread length. Now here you see it will maintain your thread length. Now here you have to select inch tab, right? And here when you will select inch tab, here you will get multiple options. So you have to select your option, thread option. So I will select 540. Okay, and make this one okay. Now here you see here is the hole that we need. Again, you cannot copy this thing again and again over here. Let me show you. Go to mirror entity, circular pattern, select this one, and this entity, select this one. Now here you see it's not getting copied. So for it you have to do it one by one. So again go to hole wizard, trade, repeat the process, select this one, offset, change the direction, keep the keep this one maintained, keep the thread length maintained and make this one okay. Now do it one again we need to do 4 numbers here. So go here, thread, uh, select this one. Now once you will put the dimensions or put the information that we need, the size thread that you're going to copy, then after this you just have to select the options. Okay, simply select offset, change the direction, maintain the length and make okay. Here you see you have to just do it one by one. No need to specify the dimension again or keep the dimension again. Just do it one time and it's fine. Go to offset, maintain, change the direction and okay. Go to hole wizard, thread, select this one, offset, maintain the thread length, change the direction and make this one okay. Now the last one we need to do, again come here. This is the last thing that we are going to do. Thread, again do the same here and this is the final one. Okay, make this one offset, change direction, maintain thread length and make this one okay. Now here you see our 5 threads are done and this is our final model. If you want to give some material, then you can, or just leave it like that. This is our new SolidWorks tutorial for advanced level students. This one is the advanced level SolidWorks tutorial and SolidWorks version 2022. So I hope that you like the video, and I hope that you learn something new from this video. So please go and subscribe the channel and also share with a friend. Keep supporting. Today 11 people subscribe my channel, so I'm really thankful to all the people and love you all. Keep supporting me. Good night. Bye.